Do you know why most IELTS candidates run out of time in the reading test? Is it because of their English level, or maybe their vocabulary isn't strong enough? Actually, the real problem is the way they read. Hello, welcome to my channel, English with Fred. This is another free video for you about IELTS techniques. I hope you enjoy. Most IELTS candidates try to read every single word, and that's the biggest mistake. The solution is two golden techniques: skimming and scanning. In today's video, I'm going to show you skimming with a very simple example, so you can find the correct answer much faster. So, what is skimming? In skimming, you're going to read the whole passage, but you don't need to understand every single word. Your goal is to catch the main idea of the passage, not the small details. Remember, in skimming, you focus on the title, if there is one. Read the first and last sentence of each paragraph. Look at the keywords inside the text. Don't get stuck on difficult vocabulary. Just move quickly and collect the main clues. That way, in less than a minute, you'll know what the passage is all about. Let's try skimming with a short passage about coffee. We have a multiple choice question here. What is the main idea of the passage? And you can see the options. When you see the word, the main idea, we should do skimming. Let's do it step by step and see how it's gonna work. We start by reading the whole passage, as I mentioned before. Many people believe that drinking coffee is harmful. So there is a negative opinion here. Is it my main idea? Is this the topic sentence? Of course not, because you can see the word however right after that. However, recent studies suggest that coffee may have health benefits. That means a change. Now, the text says coffee has health benefits as well. Let's move on. It can improve brain function, increase metabolism, and lower the risk of certain diseases. We don't need to memorize all of them. We don't need to understand every word here, like what is brain function? What is metabolism? As you can understand, it's just giving examples. It's supporting idea of the main idea. Let's move on with the text. Still, excessive consumption may cause problems like insomnia or anxiety. Then you can see another keyword here, the same as however, and that is still, meaning another contrast. It says too much coffee can cause problems. Do we need to know the meaning of insomnia? Of course not. The same as the previous sentences, it's just giving more info, and that is example. Let's get to the last sentence of this paragraph. Overall, moderate coffee intake is considered safe for most adults. The word overall, that's a summary, and it is saying that moderate coffee is safe. Now, let's get to the options and see which option would be correct here. What is the main idea of the passage? A. Coffee is dangerous for health. If you just focus on the first sentence of your paragraph, which is many people believe that drinking coffee is harmful, you would go for A, which is absolutely wrong, because as I said, that is not the whole idea of the passage. That is not the main idea completely. Let's get to the next option. Coffee has some benefits but can also cause problems. Here, it is mentioning two sides of coffee consumption. C. Coffee should be avoided completely. You can see in some part of the passage that is saying consumption of coffee can be harmful and it should be avoided. You can infer that from the passage, but that is not the main idea. That is again just part of the idea. The part that is saying excessive consumption may cause problems like insomnia or anxiety. But as I said, this is not going to be the correct answer. And the last option is D. Coffee only improves brain function. When you see the word only here, it means it is referring to only one example of the text. As you saw in the text, it says it can improve brain function, increase metabolism, lower the risk of certain diseases. So, it is mentioning 3 points here, not just one, and the word only rules out D as well. The main idea is that coffee has both benefits and problems, which simply means the correct answer is B. And that's all about the skimming. Again, it's not about reading every word or understanding every word that you see. It's about reading smart. In my next video, I'll show you how to use scanning. If this was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and tell me in the comments if you want more practice examples or if you have any more questions.